Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and today it's all about leather. This is my leather haul. I went to Tandy Leather this week, and I just had a ball. Look at this beautiful, rich. This is all Italian leather. Beautiful purple. And this one, now look at this yellow. I mean, this yellow is enough, right? But look on the other side. The other side is two-sided leather. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so just delicious. I could not resist it. I could not resist it. And look at this metallic olive green. You know, I really like making my camo jewelry, so I'm gonna put this with some camo fabric, and it's gonna be divine. And here's my turquoise. I do love blues, and turquoise is one of my favorite blues. So I got this one. And last but not least, this beautiful bright orange. Just absolutely delicious. And I did make some earrings, and I'm going to show you the earrings that I made and the new die cutter, the new die that I got. Hello, this is a review of the Superdant 4-size tassel. It looks like a feather to me, but they call it a tassel. The largest one is 3 inches. The next one is 2.2 inches. The next one is 2 inches. And the smallest one is a little over 1 inch. I'm going to show you how it works in my Sizzix Big Kick. I use a lot of leather to make earrings, so this is really great. I don't want to put my leather into the laser, so I use my Sizzix Big Kick to cut. And it's great when you get a good die that works well. I like to roll it through a couple of times to see if I can get a good cut. So here as I pull it off, you're going to see that it cuts pretty well, but in the little creases, I have to use my scissors to fully release it. But it's, as die cutters go, this is pretty good. Overall, I'm pleased with the way that they turned out. This is a Superdant. I think there are going to be lots of different ways that I can design with these 4 pieces. So I just had fun trying to put it together to see how I wanted the colors to show. I'm finishing these with this ribbon clamp finding because of how wide the leather is at the top. So this works well, and I have to really open it really wide because this leather is pretty thick, but it works well. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. We have big fun. I really like the way that these earrings turned out. I am just going to have so much fun with this leather. And I may figure out how to sell some pieces. So if you're interested in getting some of this leather, let me know and we'll work something out. All right, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.